restoring an old teak bench to its former glory. Yeah, always easier to take it to bits. It's in quite a state, but apart from one of the seat slats, the wood was sound. After sanding, wood looks like this. Use a wood reviver to get the surface as bright and clean as possible. Now 2 coats of universal preserver to stop the rot. And then 3 coats of Fiddes exterior high build wood oil. To avoid stickiness, wipe off excess oil during application with a microfiber cloth. De-nib the surface with a finishing pad after each coat. Put back together, it looks like this. Rotten seat slat replaced with a length of iroko. Let new hardwood weather. If oiled now, it would sit on the surface and be ineffective. New bronze fixings and a cushion complete the look. Maintaining oiled wood is easy. Areas that need attention only require a light sanding and a fresh thin coat of oil applied as before. Follow these steps and your outdoor furniture will be protected from whatever comes its way for years to come. Need more help? Our wood care experts are available on the phone 01303 477 555.